Hello, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel and Merry Christmas. Today we are going to do two hand puppets, a Grinch and a snowman. Please check other art crafts of Christmas on my channel. Let's do it! Lero, thanks for watching. If you like this, please comment, like, and it's very important for me, subscribe. Bye. Adios. See you soon.